A video from HELIX RE demonstrating the delivery of construction progress scans and difference reports. Once a design or construction model has been approved, HELIX will use that as the basis for delivering progress and difference reports. HELIX will compare laser scans completed during construction of the building against the approved model. In these next scenes, you're watching a project that had 3 progress scans completed during: a pre-slab scan, mid-framing scan, and a final scan after completion. Each color represents a different scan and shows progress against the model. If a client chooses, HELIX can compare each progress scan against the model to find where there are differences between what was built and what was modeled. These differences are then highlighted and delivered in a report so the project manager can either request changes or inform the other contractors of the differences in construction and changes they'll need to take into consideration as they enter their phase of work. Overall, HELIX offers these services to provide up-to-date information about a job site that creates more informed decisions and less rework. Progress scans and difference reports from HELIX RE. Thank you.